Hi, I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Andrew. Hey. Do you want to keep getting paid to care for your loved one through the Parent CNA program in Colorado? Then you'll need to keep your CNA license up to date. Let's hop over to the classroom to go over this.
In Colorado, a CNA license is valid for 24 months. To renew it, you need to complete at least 24 credit hours of continuing education units, or CEUs, and submit a renewal application to the Department of Regulatory Agencies, or DORA. You can get CEUs through your home healthcare agency, online courses, conferences, or other educational opportunities approved by DORA.
Once you've completed the required CEUs, you can submit your renewal application online. You'll need to provide your Social Security number and CNA license number to renew your license. Renewing your CNA license helps you stay up to date with changes and maintain your professional skills. For more information, visit the DORA website or contact their customer service department.
Voyager Home Healthcare is here for you. Voyager Home Healthcare is the highest paying, highest rated parent CNA agency in Colorado. They have 24/7 customer service and would love to help you out with this process and answer any questions you have. Call or text them today at 719-400-2222.